morning student, this is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. Today we are going to start Unit 6 Who I Am. Today we are going to start the new Unit 6 Who I Am. That means if you have seen every people is different than another. Every girl or boy, every student has their own qualities, their own features. That means everyone is not perfect, but everyone has some plus point and some minus point. So here every child or every person is having some beautiful skill, some talent or some different hobbies. So here in this lesson Who I Am, here some students are there and they have written about them. That means about their interests, about their hobbies and what they want to be in future. Now let's open the page number 67 and there is a lesson Who I Am Part 1. Who I Am Part 1. Here if you see in this lesson there are some students name and it is written that student has written about them, about their hobby, about their interests and everything. That means if in the class, in the exam there is the question for you also, write about yourself, that time you can write essay or some lines like this, but you cannot copy the same sentence from here. You just have to write your own hobbies, your own interests and what you want to be and what you want to do in the future, that everything. Once you read the voices of different students here which is written in the textbook, so you will get the information, you will get the hint how to write about yourself. So in this lesson we look at what we are, like how each of us different. That means everyone is different than another. Someone is very clever in study but someone is very good in sport. Like this, like means everyone has their own interest, everyone has their own skill and everyone has their own different qualities and different hobbies. So here also the writer is saying everyone is different than each other. हर कोई एक दूसरे से अलग है, हर किसी की अपनी हॉबीज अलग है, हर किसी का अपना इंटरेस्ट अलग है. We are all interesting people in different ways and we are all good at different things. Here which I told you right now, everyone is very interesting. If you see, we just have to see the positive way, in the positive vision, that everyone has a different qualities, but we just have to find out. If we just find out what the quality that particular person is having, so it will be very interesting. Every person, every student is very interesting with their own qualities. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. Everyone likes, someone likes to, every time they just want to play outside, or some people, some students just like to sit at the home only. So everyone just enjoying their own company, everyone is enjoying their period of time to do something special. So here some students are given. First student is Radha and Who I Am Part 1 Many Voices. That means all the students, some students voices are here, what they had talked about themselves. So first one is Radha. So let's read what about her interests and about her hobbies, what she wants to be in future. Radha, and picture is also there. Who is? She is Radha. So my favorite activity is climbing tree. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Now what her interest is? The first her interest is written, she just like to climbing tree. उसको पेड़ पे चढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Radha loves to climb on the tree. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. At Radha house, outside at the home, there is one big mango tree and she just want to go up on the mango tree. That means she is very interested in climbing. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. That means that mango tree's branches are very out. Mango tree's branches are very separated, and also Radha can easily climb up and she comfortably sit on the branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girl to climb a tree. Now what her mother doesn't like that Radha is climbing the tree, so her mother doesn't like and she always asks her to avoid to climb on the tree. But Radha is very interested to climb on the tree and she just go up and she's comfortably sit on the branches of the tree. But one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking, eating raw mangoes. Then every time Radha's mother stopped her to climb on the tree. But one day her mother also climbed with Radha. उसकी मम्मी भी उसके साथ एक दिन पेड़ पे चढ़ गई. They both climbed on the tree and they talked. They both sit comfortably over there on the branch and they talked with each other. They shared their thoughts. They enjoyed sitting on the branch, and it was the mango tree. So they both ate the raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. Now what Radha is saying here? Radha is saying, when I climb up, when I am high up in the tree, जब वो ट्री पे ऐसी चढ़ती है and when और जैसे वो खड़ी होती है, that time she feel like I can rule the whole world. उसको ऐसे लगता है कि मैं अभी यहाँ की रानी हूँ and I can rule on the whole world. She thinks that when she high up on the tree, so she feel that she can rule on the whole world. So here what the interest of the Radha, she wants to climbing. She is interested in climbing on the tree, or if she is growing up, so maybe she is climbing the mountains, or that means according to her interest, so she can do that also. And every time her mother stopped her not to climb on the tree, but one day her mother also climbed with Radha and they both sat on the branches. They enjoyed their company and they ate raw mango also. So here this is the voice of Radha, what she said about her interest and everything. I hope student you understood this, the voices. That means the Radha is telling about herself. Here in this passage, in this voice, Radha is telling about herself. Now and at end what she saying, she feel like she can rule the whole world. वो पूरे दुनिया पे राज कर सकती है. She can rule the whole world. So now the next one is Nasir. Now the second student is Nasir. Now what Nasir is saying about himself, let's see. Now Nasir, page number 70, and there is the picture of Nasir and what he is doing. We'll see in his voice. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Now what Nasir is saying? Nasir is saying जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा तो मैं he just wanted to be a seed collector. जो छोटे छोटे seeds होते हैं, those the farmer is using to sow the seed in his farm, that seed collector the Nasir want to be in future. So when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton field in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying a new seed to grow our cotton plant. Now Nasir is having the cotton field. Nasir is having the cotton field in their village, and every day his father is spending lots of money to buy new seeds to grow in their plant. They have cotton field in their village, and his father is every year is spending so much money to buy a new seeds to grow, to plant in their field. So my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plant during the next year. Now here Nasir is saying, नासिर के पापा हर साल न्यू सीड खरीदते हैं और उसके लिए बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च करते हैं. बट what Nasir's grandfather told him, नासिर के ग्रैंडफादर ने नासिर को बोला था कि his grandfather only collected a seed from his own field and he sown these seeds for the next year. मतलब नासिर के ग्रैंडफादर न्यू सीड नहीं खरीदते थे, जो उनके प्लांट में रहता था वही सीड वो कलेक्ट करके नेक्स्ट ईयर वही सीड को वो सो करते थे उनके फील्ड में. सो his grandfather didn't spend money to buy new seeds from the market. He just collected the seed from his own plant and the same seed he plant for the next year. So here he could collect the seed from his own plant which could be sown to grow new plant during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy a new seed every single year. How the Nasir's grandfather always collected the seeds from his own plant, his own field, and he collected that all seed and store it for the next year. But now in the present it doesn't work for the Nasir's parents, for the Nasir's father. Nasir's father spent every year money to buy the new seed to grow in his plant. So what Nasir is saying, but today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. हर साल अभी वो दादाजी वाली तरकीब अभी काम नहीं आती है, तो नासिर के पापा को हर बार सीड खरीदना पड़ता है और एवरी ईयर ही जस्ट हैव टू बाय सीड from the market. So they just have to spend more money to buying the seed. I want to find out why that is so. Now what Nasir is saying here, Nasir बोल रहा है ऐसा क्यों होता होगा, why this is happening, because my grandfather told me that he only collected the seed from his own field. He didn't spend money in the market to buy new seeds and he stored the seed for the next year. But now in the present day it is not happening like that. Why? What the reason this is not happening, and every year we are spending so much money to buy a new seeds. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. Now what Nasir is saying here, Nasir want to learn how to preserve seeds for the next year, because his grandfather told him, his grandfather used to collect the seeds and store the seed for the next year, but here this present year it's not happening. So this Nasir is little bit sad. He is little bit sad because his father is spending so much money for buying the new seed, and here Nasir now Nasir is saying he just want to learn how to preserve the seeds. Now he just want to learn how to preserve the seed so that he also can preserve it, he also can store it for the next year, and they could not be spending more money for the new seed. So what Nasir is saying now in the last line, I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. He he just want to learn how to store the seeds and how to preserve it for the next year, so that they don't want to spend money for the new seed, for buying the new seed. So here in the first one we have read the voices of Radha and Nasir. What Radha is having the different interests, she is having the different hobbies, she is different from the Nasir, and Nasir is also different from the Radha. Nasir is having his own interests, his own habits, he want to become a seed collector, and here Radha is interested in climbing. So these both students are different from each other, and they both are special, and they both are unique in their own way. Now we have seen here in Nasir, he just in this picture he is collecting the seed, and he want to be a seed collector, and he doesn't want to, and he want to learn how to preserve the seed, so that they don't want to spend much money for buying the new seeds. Now the next student is Rohit. The next one is Rohit. We'll see about Rohit. Now Rohit, if I had a huge amount of money, now here let's read the voice of Rohit, what Rohit is saying about himself. So Rohit is saying, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. Now what Rohit is saying, that means Rohit is interested in travel, he is interested in travel in different cities, in different countries. So what Rohit is saying here, अगर मेरे पास बहुत सारे पैसे होते तो मैं सिर्फ ट्रैवल और ट्रैवल ही करता. He is saying here, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. That means Rohit loves traveling. Rohit loves traveling. I want to see the mountain of New Zealand because they look beautiful in the magazine pictures. That means he just want to visit different cities, different countries, and he want to see the different beauties of the world. So here what he want to say, if I had a huge amount of money, so I just would like to travel and travel. I want to see the mountain of New Zealand. What he is saying, the Rohit wants to see the mountains of New Zealand which he had seen in the magazine cover page, which he has seen in the magazine cover page. It is so beautiful, it's so beautiful. That's why he is saying that if I had a huge amount of money, so I would like to visit the New Zealand, and I would like to see the mountain of New Zealand which he had seen in the magazine cover page, and the mountains was so amazing, it was so beautiful. I wish I could sail down the Amazon river in the South America on the raft. Now what he is saying, even he just want to sail down, और वो कहाँ travel करना चाहता है, on the water also Amazon river, वो Amazon river पे भी सैर करना चाहता है. He want to sail, who could sail down the Amazon river in the South America on the raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and the Div down to see the coral. Now what he is saying, he is interesting to see, he is interesting to live at the beaches. And which beaches he want to live? He want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and Div down to see coral. उसको बीच के पास रहना भी बहुत पसंद है. अगर उसके पास बहुत सारे पैसा होगा तो वो पूरी दुनिया की सैर करना चाहता है. He wants to travel the whole world and he just want to visit the different countries and to see its beauty. Now here in the first picture he wants to visit the New Zealand mountain. He want to see the mountain of New Zealand which is so beautiful and amazing, and he had seen that mountain in the magazine. Now in the next he is saying I want to travel, I could sail down the Amazon river. वो Amazon river की भी सैर करना चाहता है. And he loves to live at the beaches. उसको बीच के पास रहना भी बहुत पसंद है, because at the beaches we can see the waves of the water. It's coming and going and it looks so beautiful. And where beaches? The beaches of Lakshadweep and Diu down to the coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. Now what he is saying? He just want to visit the Konark temple which is located in Orissa. First he want to see the mountain of New Zealand. Now he just want to sail the Amazon river, on the Amazon river, and then he just want to live at the beaches like Lakshadweep and Div. Now in the next he want to see the Konark temple. It is at Odisha. Now and he just want to visit the old city in Beijing in China and pyramids in Egypt too. He wants to see the pyramids which is world famous pyramids in Egypt. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. Now his interest is he just want to enjoy the nature. He just want to enjoy the seeing nature. वो नेचर को ज़्यादा पसंद करता है. बिल्डिंग्स देखने से ज़्यादा जो नेचुरल चीज़ें हैं देखने के लिए वो उसको देखना ज़्यादा पसंद करता है. So here he is saying I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. That means the statue and buildings he doesn't want to see. That's why he is saying he just want to see the mountains of the New Zealand. That means the mountains is natural, Amazon river it is natural, beaches it is natural, and the old city in Beijing and pyramid, this everything he want to see, and he is more interested in seeing the natural things more than the buildings. So about Rohit we have seen he is interested in just traveling and just visiting the different cities, the different places which is world famous, but he is more interested in watching the natural things. He is most interested in watching the natural things than the old buildings. Now here we have learned the voices of Radha. Radha is having her own interest. About Nasir is having his own interest, and Rohit is having his own interest. That means here these all three students are different than each other. These all three are different than each other, and they wants to be a different in their life, and they all three are very special in their own way. Now student, now here we have seen the voices of Radha. She is about her interests, about her hobbies. About Nasir, he want to become a seed collector. He is interested in collecting the seeds, and he just want to learn to preserve the seeds so that they could not spend much more money to buy new seed every year. Now about Rohit also we have seen he just want he just want to travel the whole world, and he just wanted to visit the different countries and different cities. Even he is much interested in the natural, in watching natural thing more than the buildings. So student, I give you here homework about Sabarjit and about Dolma and about Peter. We'll see in the next video. Now it's time to give you homework, so I am giving you here homework. Now what is your homework? You have to write about your hobbies and your interests. In that means what you want to do, or what is your hobby, what you want to do every day. This everything you have to write in your notebook. Okay, now we'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.